everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Notando and I make videos on construction, lifestyle, and used to be travel before the lockdown. If it's your first time here, thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you like the channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you. Don't forget to like the video. On today's video, we're going to talk about... Wait, it's itchy. Why is my nose always itchy?
Guess what, bitch?
Okay. On today's video, we're going to talk about how, as a quantity surveyor or construction manager, you can move into the legal aspects of construction, and that is your construction law. Let's get into the video. From planning to completion, construction lawyers represent owners, designers, architects, material suppliers, contractors, and subcontractors. A construction lawyer will assist their client with scheduling, budgeting, fulfilling regulatory guidelines, contracting, submitting claims, terminations, and so much more. The number of variables in the construction industry that can influence a dispute are endless, and sifting through all of that information in order to analyze and understand the core issues between the two parties can be daunting. It requires an in-depth knowledge of the construction process, the contracts, the program, the cost reports, and payment certificates. Like, all of that information needs to be analyzed, and in order for you to analyze it accurately, you need to at least know something about them or about it. And this is where arbitration comes in.
Arbitration is a legal technique for the resolution of disputes outside the courts, wherein the parties to a dispute refer it to one or more persons by whose decision they agree to be bound.
So it's a room of people, and then you and I will find an arbitrator or a group of arbitrators to assist us to reach a decision, and whatever decision they make after listening to what we're fighting about, we are bound by this decision. And this form of disputes resolution is common in a number of industries, such as insurance, oil and gas, and what we're here for, construction. Quantity surveyors or construction managers possess the knowledge that makes them eligible to participate in preparing valuations for construction or building disputes. And that's where you and I come in. Informally, you have the capability of participating and mediating a construction dispute as a QS.
You can further your studies and get a qualification in international arbitration through the RICS. With this qualification, you can then formally enroll with the Arbitration Federation of South Africa and become an official panel member.
It's not uncommon for people to get lawyers who are not in the construction industry to help settle disputes between two parties, or however many parties that have a problem between themselves. However, if somebody is not familiar with the construction industry, they'll need to hire professionals in order to analyze and sift through all those documents, payment certs, the cost reports, the claims, or whatever the dispute is about, which might take a little bit more time. It might also require more money because you need all these professionals to come in and analyze the paperwork or the documents or the work, if the problem is about the work in it, and that equals losing money. It is advantageous to have an arbitrator who is from the construction industry and has all the knowledge to help resolve these type of disputes, and that's why it is a path that you can take as a quantity surveyor. As much as we learn about law, construction law in varsity, it is not in depth, and there are some aspects of it that you might need to sharpen a little bit. So yeah, but this is also another path that you can take as a QS, especially if you feel like site is not for you or you have an interest in law. So just like in bank monitoring, quantity surveyors do have a role in construction law. And if it's something that you're interested in, and if it's something that you see yourself doing in the future, this is also another thing you can open up your mind to, and not just isolate yourself to thinking that this is a QS, this is where I need to be, or this is my path. So if you're wondering, now I hope I've shed some light on it and you have an idea, and you'll do a bit more research into it if that's what you'd like to do. Yeah, so thank you for watching this video. See you later in another video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and share, do all those things. Mwah.